Hello everyone, welcome to my live stream, and this is my another project. Welcome to my live stream. It's my new project Gate. So welcome to my live stream everyone. So right now I'm talk about that is Gate Launchpool project in the stable, right? This is the stable project. So everyone, welcome to my live stream. Okay, and also like, follow, and share my live stream. I hope you like that. The project is our stable project. So look at this, my friend, and also like, follow, and please share my live stream, everyone. Okay, so look at this, my friend. This is the Gate launch pool. This our project is Gate launch pool. uh, just wait everyone, I'm also saying a bit that I'm talking about that is our this project, everyone. Just wait and watch. Okay, so look at this, my friend. Is Get Launchpool project is Launchpool project 345 is stable and stake BTC GT or stable to claim your jobs, right? So look at this, my friend. Just wait and watch, my dear all friend. Just wait and watch. I'm talking about that is the project. Just wait and watch, everyone. Just wait and watch. And Get Launchpool is set to launch. Project 345 stable. Users can stake BTC GT or stable sharp. Okay. Okay, everyone. Just wait. Okay. So also look at this, my friend. Just wait and watch. Just wait and watch, everyone. I'm just talk about that is our this project. Just wait and watch. Okay. So Gate launch pool is set to launch project 345 stable. Users can stake BTC GT or stable to share 4 lakh stable token for free. This round of launch pool features upgraded participant condition and staking caps for the BTC pool. The maximum staking cap will be determined by each user. 60-day total trading volume. Achieving higher trading volume will unlock higher stake caps. Okay, and now your job details. So staking period December 8 2025 to 14 UTC December 15 2025 8:14 UTC. Total staking reward 4 lakh stable. Unlock method unlock 100%. So everyone, please everyone, just stay with me and also like, follow, and share my live stream. Talk about that is new project. This is the stable project. You already see that, everyone. So stay with me and also like, follow, and share my live stream. This is the stable project. Okay, so look at this, everyone. Just look at this, my friend. And also stick to now is taking cap, everyone. Just look at this. Okay, so now I'm just talk about that is our this project, everyone. And a staking cap for BTC cool, your staking cap will be determined by your 60 days total trading volume. Achieve a higher trading volume to unlock higher staking cap. Okay, so look at this, my friend. Look at this. Okay, everyone, and also see that is our project is right now. Just wait and watch, everyone. Okay, so 60-day total volume USD 60,000. Okay, and now you look at this 60 days total volume USD 60,000 and BTC pool staking cap 10 BTC, 5 lakh, 15 BTC, 1 lakh, 20 BTC, and then 1 lakh 20 BTC, 3 lakh 26 BTC, and 5 lakh 34 BTC. And 60-day total trading volume, 60-day spot trading volume, 60-day future trading volume 40%, 60-day option trading volume x 5%. And reward distribution, the system will be distributed token rewards to user spot account on hourly basis based on the proportion at assets they have stake user. So they have stake users falling to achieve the minimum trading volume requirement 60,000 USD within 60-day period will be disqualified and from participating in BTC staking while receiving hourly airdrop distribution. Please ensure you meet the minimum trading volume requirement to in advance. Okay, and look at this. Our yearly staking and get launchpool allows users to stake to advise. You can stake your assets before the official launch of the project or to ensure you start earning rewards as soon as mining begin. How to participate? Log into your Gate account. Okay, log into your Gate account and complete identity verification. Navigate to Launchpool. Hold at least 0.0001 BTC, 0.01 GD. One stop click stake and get Launchpool frequency. Project information. Meet stable coin in the USD native layer 1 build for stable coin. Payment every transaction is settles in USD with sub-second finality low fees and the reliability and global payment demand fast scalable secure reliable official website. So now I'm also click the official website and now I'm talking about that is Gate Labs investment disclosures. So Gate Lab did not invest in stable okay, and notes number one everyone. So Gate Launchpool is an innovative staking airdrop platform where user can earn hourly airdrop of trading and newly licensed tokens by staking GDBTCs USD USDD, GUSD or other tokens with low entry barriers and high APR in an easy way to capture market opportunities. And number two, the 60-day total trading volume should be updated in real time in app and update in delight. Please check again after an hour. And number three, if the trading volume requirement is not met, user can still redeem stake assets and anytime any assets not manually redeemed will be automatically returned to the spot or unfight account after the event. And number four, please update to the latest app version 7.23.0 to participate in Launchpool. You can also participate directly by the Gate official website. And number five, please complete identity verification before participating in Launchpool to enhance the security of your account and assets. And number six, please follow the relevant rules of the event when participating in any cheating behavior to prohibit it, which will result in disqualification of the rewards. And number seven, in case of differences between the translated and the original English version, the English version shall prevail. And number eight, get reserved all right to the final explanation. Number eight, the event is not affiliated with Apple. And number 10, users in the United Kingdom and other restricted locations cannot access the services including the participation in this event, game or competition. See the user agreement for further details on restricted location. And risk warning number one, so as a blockchain startup is still in its early stage, the project may involve significant risks in various aspects, including operation, underlying technology, and the legal and regulatory environment. And number two, understanding blockchain startup and assessing their inherent risks require advanced technical and financial knowledge. Number three, due to influence from technology, regulatory framework, market conditions, and other factors, the project you participate in may experience significant price volatility with price potentiality rising or falling sharply. Number four, due to issue related to the underlying related to the underlying technology of the project. So get trading platform, you may be unable to withdraw all the part of your assets from the project. And number five, cryptocurrency projects are high risk by nature and cryptocurrency prices are highly volatility. The project team does not provide any form of margin, price commitment or downside protection. Please ensure that fully understand the risks and are capable of bearing them before participating. While the platform is strongly warns of potential risks and it cannot assume liability of any investment association or provide any guarantees or company insurance. So now I'm also going to the official website of the trading stable. Okay, the right now and today I'm talking about that is our stable project. So everyone, please also like, follow, and share my live stream, everyone. And I'm your mentor Tedverse. I'm talking about that right now is stable project. So everyone, please, everyone, just like, follow, and share. So the stable payment rate. Okay, so everyone, just look at this, my friend. the stablecoin payment rail for the vault USD from static to scalable mid-stable coin. The USD native layer 1 built for stablecoin payment. Every transaction settles in USDT with sub-account finality, low fees, and the reliability that global payment demand. Fast, scalable, secure, reliable, and inter-stable hub built with us. Read our docs. I'm already clicked the docs, and now I'm talking about that is our stablecoin. Everyone, look at this. So Franklin and Temptation and BTS and BTFix and USDTO and Securina and PayPal Ventures, Mirena and QCon and Bybit all over in connection. This stablecoin, the global standard for stablecoin payments, designed for the real economy. Stablecoin provide a fast, predictable, and completed and a low cost and stable manner infrastructure, making a stablecoin and is making stablecoin payment scalable for institution and street forward for users. So delivering the rails the global institution and payment system can trust. So now this is our 500 million plus people really on USDT today with the rails. Binance are still fragmented and unpredictable and expensive. So fragmented liquidity stablecoin are solitary across the chain, and intermediaries and moving value between ecosystem is slow, costly, and technically fragile and unpredictable cost. The fees change without warning. Transaction finality in various stablecoin and payment and cannot rely on environment that behave differently every day. And institutional and friction and enterprise and face and complexities and integration and custody and complex settlement and flows and chain and level operation. This prevent stablecoin adoption this scale. And now the look at this in Geneva and Access and Million, Steel Lake and Israeli on off and reps and stable transaction fees or merchant infrastructure is divided in stable coin and behind the really held. And now the look at this in Rails for the real vault. Stable by design, the pay network and fees directly in USDT with predictable and fees for peer and peer transfer stable coin and robust, and removes the need for a separate gas token. Enterprise are ready, fast, complete, and easy to integrate in infrastructure and designed for global payment and settlement flows. And native USDT settlement use USDT to pay transaction fees and avoid fee rate volatility, predictable cost for every transactions. So seamless asks one a wallet, one currency sub-second and finality, and makes saving in digital dollars feel instant to institutive and EMV compatible. So built in the most robust environment and leverageable for smart contract to no rewards or migrate pain. And also commenting on Kid user to the moon. Oh, Kid user, thanks a lot for commenting here. So my brother, please also like, follow, and share my live stream and talk about that today stable coin. So please also stay with me and also like and follow my share, everyone. And look at this, my friend. Look at this, my friend. Okay, so look at this. So skills to global demand and stable high throughput and architecture support consumer payment volume and institutional flows built to institution developers and users. And look at this, institution and enterprise built to meet the performance, combination, and reliability standard of global financial operators, and delivers launch USDT native application with familiar tooling and straightforward integration. And consumers stable makes stable coins move seamlessly, fast, simple, and predictable all over in here, everyone. Just look at this, from launch to scale. A stablecoin to mainnet launch, deploy the vault-find native USDT blockchain infrastructure. Stable chain goes live with real throughput and real utility, sub-account finality, and USDT as native gas. Scale throughput and execution into docs, optimistic parallel execution, and stable to scale throughput while preserving sub-account statement. So power the future of finance. So accredited throughput to what 10,000 plus TPS with reliability by adopting DAG based consensus, setting the foundation for future scale and enterprises adoption. Okay, so frequency asks question, what is stable? So stable is blockchain purpose built for stable coin and payment. It provides a settlement layer where value moves in its USDT with consistent perform, predictable fees and sub-second finality. So why does stable use USDT to guess? And new fast in stable, and who is behind stable? Why build a whole chain just for a stable coin? And now I'm go to stable docs paper, I mean it's white paper. So everyone, welcome to stable. So everyone, welcome to stable, everyone. Okay, just wait and watch. I'm right now the project in stable, and welcome to stable, everyone. A stable coin powered by USDT designed to move stable coin to scale because the world's most used asset deserve its own chain. And welcome to the official documentation for stable with our 190 billion to circulation and more than 350 million users globally. USDT leads the stable coin market and powering controlled exchange, decentralized finance, DeFi, and international payment. With current infrastructure struggle to meet increasing demand for lower cost, higher spend, and greater reliability. Stable addresses this demand through a scalable, secure, and user-friendly blockchain specifically crafted for USDT practical needs which are serving retail user in emerging market of financial institutions heading substantial transaction volumes. Stable to delivers to optimal environment to make transactions faster, cheaper, and significantly more efficient. Stable allows. So these are these with a high throughput layer 1 blockchain with sub-second finality designed to serve as the asset launches and settlement layer for USDT. Some of the key features include. So optimized for USDT stable provide comprehensive USDT focus feature including optimized large scale USDT transfer and efficient USDT issuance and settlement capabilities. So built for everyday usage, transaction finalized in under a second with minimal cost, stable institution wallet, simplifies sending, receiving and asset management will enabling easy debit and credit card integration. So custom features for enterprise. Stable provides advanced feature designed for institutional needs. Its offer guaranteed block space allocation, efficient USD transaction processing, high throughput capabilities with transfer, aggregation, and comprehensive security measures. So the platform also includes confidential transfer feature that balance privacy with regulatory compliance. So getting started, this guide service everyone, everyday user, developers or institutions. We have got you. So why is stable? So look at this. High performance is stable chain using USDT and native gas token and stable for user discover how stable enhance your everyday life. And technical roadmap, learn more about stable technical roadmap and frequency. So frequently asked question about stable. So look at this, my friend. So take overview, explore stable, cutting edge technology, key features, uncover stable standout capabilities. And look at this core optimization that will make stable high performance USDT specific features designed specifically for USDT transactions. So now I'm going to another page. Stable for user. Stable is specifically designed to support wide range of user including enterprise everyday user developers by providing infrastructure with stablecoin as the central asset. Stable deliver a powerful, reliable of cost-effective blockchain solution specifically optimized for USDT for providing comprehensive and feature tailored of decentralized needs of institutions, everyday users and developers. Stable enhance financial efficiency and drives operational excellence for enterprise custom features with high reliability as a stablecoin continue their rapid global adoption with USDT currently leading the market stable to statistically so positioned to capabilities on sustainable growth and opportunities with the stablecoin market projected to reach 2.8 trillion by 230. They are in immense potential for institutional expansion and broader market integration. Stable is specifically designed to optimize USDT transaction, providing institutions with an efficient, secure, and cost effective solution for their daily payment and settlement needs. The feature for enterprise includes so guaranteed block space upcoming. So enterprises utilizing blockchain infrastructure require guaranteed block space to ensure consistent transaction latency stable offer enterprise and guaranteed blockchain allocation and maintaining stable and transaction performance even during network congestion. And Gaji007, hello Gaji, welcome to my live stream Gaji. So high transaction throughput and stable support and rapidly transaction processing stable institution to instantly settle large transaction solution volume. It also provide scalable large volume transaction with USDT transfer aggregator features. And now security and reliability. Okay. So look at this, my friend, is now security and reliability stable has robust security. Okay, let's look at this, my friend. So everyone also like, follow and share my live stream. Everyone also like, follow and share my live stream. And also commenting here. Okay, just wait and watch. Also commenting here is our Ifran Alam. What's the current market? So my dear Ifran Alam, this is the project review. So please, my friend, stay with me. This is the I'm talking about that is stable project review. It's not a market analysis. The high transaction throughput stable support rapid transaction. So processing in enable institution to instantly stable large transaction volume. It also provide scalable large volume transaction with USDT transfer aggregator features and security and reliability. So stable has robust security protecting transaction and asset comprehensively. Its secure architecture provides a trusted foundation for high value settlements and critical financial operations. Confidential transfer upcoming stable provides enterprises grade confidential transfer capabilities, enables institution to execute transaction while preserving privacy and complying fully with regulatory requirement. Utilization advice and cryptographic technique sensitive transaction data to conceal it from public visibility with remaining auditable for authorized parties. So this allows enterprise to balance essential privacy with transparency obligations mandated by regulation such as AML, KYC and financial audits, fostering trust and operational confidence in a regulated financial environment. And then look at this practical application for institutions. A stable offering institutive application design is specifically to streamline institutional operations including and stable coin payment solutions. So facilitating affording transaction by stable coin thinking divide and debit debit card and credit card and business payment terminal, enabling merchants to accept USDT seamlessly without intermediaries and additional fees and highly predictable minor event under network configurations. Okay. Stables and provide an accessible financial and solution and globally enabling it with the thoughts with unlimited banking access to use USDT seamlessly with stable. You can easily perform cross-border transaction and everyday payment and minimal cost, greatly enhancing financial flexibility and inconvenience for everyone. Okay, and stable is here for daily USDT transaction, making your financial activities quicker, simpler, and more efficient. Okay, and for developers, highly optimized EVM L1 stable to stablecoin and feature sub-second and block and times and sub-second and financially uniquely optimized and for stablecoin and listener stable and management and USDT designed to specifically to meet the regulation, performance, security, and its utility demand of the stablecoin transaction. Stable provide and developers use the foundation for cheating determines an application DAPPS and infrastructure solution that unlock the full potential of USDT at scale. So below is the technical features stable. Okay, I hope you understand everyone, and also commenting out get user hello. Welcome to my live stream, get user. Welcome to my live stream. And this is the new project is stable coin. Everyone just look at this, my friend. Okay. And also commenting and it's Ifran Alam and read slowly. Okay, bye. Okay. Okay. Thanks a lot for watching my live stream. Thanks a lot, everyone, for also commenting. And thanks a lot, everyone. Thanks a lot. And I'm talking about that is our stable coin. Everyone, just look at this, my friend. So developer tools and resources is stable offer and comprehensive and toolkit and slimly and David development and ecosystem integration. Stable EVM is stable Ethereum compatible and execution layer, enabling to seamless integration with the chain using exciting and Ethereum tools and wallet. So the bridge the gap and between the stable EVM, the stable SDK, stable EVM, the introducts a set of pre-compilation enabling EVM smart contract to call into the core chain and logic security and automatically enhance smart contract capabilities and pre-complete and contract interface and facilitated and seamless in infrastructure and between EVM contract and stable SDK module is simplifying and complex cross module transactions. Okay, and now technical roadmap and future development. Stable and launching to multiple processes to ensure and robust, scalable, and high performance to infrastructure. High performance L1 plans to recharge and optimize in every components and of the blockchain in processing from start DV to consistence to execution. Real world application intent to launch practical application for payment, business transaction, and consumer financial service, leveraging its stable unique advantage. Okay, and next, tokenomics. Everyone just look at this, and now I'm talking about that. It's next in tokenomics. Just wait, everyone. Okay, look at this, my friend. Just look at this. Okay. So tokenomics is supply distribution and economic design to the stable token, stable to high performance layer 1 and blockchain optimization for stable coin settlement and enterprise and trade and payment and USDT centric infrastructure. This tokenomics page outlines the supply distribution and economics design of the stable coin. And look at this is overview. Item details is stable, simply stable, token supply 1 lakh million tokens, 1 crore, 100 crore tokens, standard ERC20 on stable mainnet EVM. Okay, and documents 18 stable in the governance token in the stable mainnet an ecosystem designed to the support long-term economic alignment and actors, validators, developers, and users. Token allocation: total supply 1 lakh crore stable coin, and category allocation amount of stable. Okay, so emission model to supply schedule: total supply and fix 1 crore stable token, 100 crore stable token only to portion on supply, enter and circulation and launch into the stable minute, and team and investor advisors allocation are subject to 4-year linear vesting model with a 1-year cliff to ensure long-term commitment. So allocation, so Genesis distribution: 10% of total token supply and destinate to bootstrap users, provide liquidity to market conduct Airdrop event, reward early supporters, and comping with exchange and ecosystem partners. So vesting schedule: 100% unlock at the stable minute launch. Ecosystem and community: 40% total token supply. Support long-term ecosystem and community growth. So support of the development of the stable software of ecosystem, developer grade, user onboarding, incentives and payment partner integrations, one-chain activities, rewards, and hackers ambassadors program infrastructure grades. So visiting schedules and initial unlock: 8% of total supply unlocked at the stable minute launch to provide for incentives with strategies, launches partners, liquidity needs, and to implement early ecosystem growth camping. So total vesting period: 3-year linear vesting, and thereafter and for the 32% of total supply. Team: 25% of total token supply allocated of the foundation team members, engineers, researchers, and contributors, designed to ensure long-term alignment between the team of the stable ecosystem. And best team schedule: 1-hour cliff. No tokens are unlocked in the first 12-month and total vesting period for 8-month and linear vesting from the schedule as stable minute launch. And investor and advisors: 25% in total token and supply allocated for fundraising route and advisory support. So vesting schedule and emissions chart: stable token and emissions economics, design and principles in stable token its ecosystem and design to around their foundational goals. Number 1, power a payment optimized layer 1. The stable token incentives: high throughput, low latency infrastructure, supporting sub-second block confirmation and enterprise settlement guarantees. Number 2, the support sustainable ecosystem growth: 40% total tokens supply is dedicated to long-term growth, focusing on key development and growth areas. Developers grants partner integrations, new ecosystem application. Number 2, alleged long-term contributions vesting. The team allocation uses a 4-year linear vesting model with 1-year club, ensuring long-term alignment and continued contributors to what network development and utility the stable tokens. So the stable token is the ERC20 governance token to on a stable minute and in cabin to use and for electing and validators and voting and protocol and upgrades and draining and governance purpose. So serving as an credential or receive gas fee distribution from validators on the stable network. On the transaction use USDT or on native gas tokens. This USDT or as gas fees are collected in treasury maintained by smart contract when token and holders stake their stable tokens as validators, and validators may choose to distribute gas fees from the treasury proportionally to stakers. And then next, technical roadmap. So look at this, my friend. This is the technical roadmap. A stable approach that optimize every layer, the transaction life cycle from user submission, confirmation, and result pass thought several stage, and transaction is fast propagated by RPC stored in the mempool, included in a block, validated thought and consensus executed the finality, the resulting start and processed it in the database. Only after this step can us user receive the final outcome. and if any part of this process in suboptimal overall system performance suffered, stable aims to optimize each stage of the transaction pipeline to maximize performance and minimize latency. Stable core technology will launch it multiple paths, each designed to enhance overall transaction per second TPS without compromising transaction finality, planet optimization, Aspen state database handling execution layers, consensus mechanism, and USD specific process. So the section below outline common performance bottlenecks in current blockchain architectures and stable planet optimization. Pass 1 foundational and layer for USDT stable and BTN and insurance stable and blockchain and leverage and stable and BFT customer and person protocol based on component. And fall and let us strong and reliability and offer and determine and finality and fault and tolerance and up to one third and validators and after future stable aims to upgrade to DAG and base consensus and achieve up and 5x faster consensus speed. USDT as native gas. So unstable and USDT functions as the native gas tokens per USDT 10 transfer user transfer user and don't pay any gas fees for an other smart contract operation. Users pay gas fees in USDT tokens which are automatically converted to GUSDT by the bundler and paymaster and system thought account abstraction stable pay and stable and name. So the stable by and designed to establish and enhance the usability and decentralized and finance and recognition and the stable running and curve and accumulation and with exciting in Web 3 and wallet stable introduction and Web 2.5 UX wallet expensive that determine killing and similarity and onboarding for new users and will remaining fully compatible and with experience and crypto users and newcomers and benefit from intuitive and designed by frictionless and setup process. So social login will exciting and user can and simply and cannot their current wallet to the state using a stable without and migration and hassles to ensure in uniqueness and accessibility. The stable pay will be available as both as responsive with application and a native mobile apps enabling secure access to digital asset across all devices. So complementing and this wallet is a introduction of stable names a user and friendly alexing and system part replace the cumbersome and error prone EVM public address format with unique human reliable and identity fears. Users can send and receive tokens effortlessly using their stable name and augmenting the needs to manage long hexadecimal state. This approach significantly reduces and transactional errors and enhance the overall experience of interacting with crypto assets, making stable a robust and user-centric entry point into the blockchain ecosystem and pass to experience layer for USDT. Optimistic parallel execution real-world telemetry indicates that 60 to 80% and transaction interact with an disjoint states and can be safely executed in parallel. So however most and blockchain system are still executed transaction sequentially leading to unnecessary delay. Stable with an adoption optimization of parallel execution to the improvement of throughput and transaction or detail in execution to parallel under the execution and no cough delays and after detection of configuration and affected transaction are rolled block the executed and sequentially and this model stable substantial throughput gains will preserving and correctness and stable OB optimization. One of the primary bottlenecks and blockchain performance is slow disk IO after block execution. The resulting state must be committed and stored. Traditionally, validator nodes wait for the state to be fully stored before proceeding to the next block executions. And stable optimized, and this processed by the decoupling state commitment from state storage. Validators can commit the latest state in memory, which is sufficient, and processing with block execution will deferring the storage of historical state to disks, and reduces execution latency. And now you see that in the user app map and memory and map and file and all mechanism and front-end and accumulated and storage performance by trading file and the memory and is stable plans to adopt and map to handle real time and state and commitment to memory while regulating equivalent state to disks, so significantly reducing disk I/O latency and enhancing read write throughput. And look at the USDT transfer aggregator to support mass USDT or transfer stable to going to implement aggregation mechanism. USDT or transfer transaction will be grouped to process collectively, reducing per transaction overhead and improving overall throughput and guaranteed block space. So enterprises utilize and blockchain infrastructure and record predictable transaction latency under high network congestion. This predictability can degrade stable address. This thought a detected block space model that guarantee a fixed portion of block capability to enterprise. This guarantee it's in force thought. So validator layer customization validators reverse space for enterprises dedicated RPC nodes. Guaranteed transaction are prioritized by separate mempools and API endpoints. So this model will ensure consistent performance within mission and critical and operation even under adversarial conditions. I hope you like that, everyone. Okay, the passive full and is taken optimization layer for USDT advanced and consumed within stable on alternate. So Autobahn and offer an PVFT and dig and architecture and that and integrate and more naturally with a stable consistent layer to stable and build and stop Autobahn and will enable so parallel proposal processing by and eliminating the single leading limitation. So faster finality by separating data. So propagation from final ordering. So enhance reliance and agreements and network and advice and thought and robust and arbitrary mechanism. Also this and advanced consistent design to support a much higher throughput and based on internet proof and concept which has demorized and 2 lakh TPS consists only to contribute intervention. Okay. So stable and EVM plus a stable and EVM will be the high performance and execution engine and other replace to the goals and EVM and gets to implementation, and this change to expected will up to a 6x improvement to EVM executing speed. So dramatically intense processing capabilities, high performance RPS, high throughput. Decentralized application depend on the fast, accurate RPC and indexing service and stable, high performance RPC and stack will included. So node level in enhancement, real-time chain state processing for the immediate RPC responsibilities and nodes integrated indexer, low latency indexing ensuring consistent application level API performance. So robots pops up and headline scalable web socket and architecture and reliable subscription and event delivery and hybrid load balancer. Intelligence and distribution of traffic based on operation type of maximum resource utilization and reduce bottlenecks. So these optimizations will enable the stable to offer stable and scalable access points for depth and enterprise users. So introduction frequency general. What is stable? Stable is a high performance blockchain uh, manipulated and designed to become the dedicated home for USDT based to relevation and how USDT moves globality. So what makes a stable different from other blockchains? A stable is a high performance network designed to specifically for USDT. It provides a variety of USDT specific features, including using USDT as a native gas token and guaranteed block space and aggregated USDT or transfer, all supported by highly scalable architecture. Technical features. A stable tech and full stack approach and upgrade every stage to transaction life cycle from the state database execution of consonants or USDT specific optimization. Is it possible for stable to adopt DAG thought? A future consonant upgrade? Yes, unlike Narwhal, a trust which a not directly compatible with stable BFT or to be and offer a PVFT on deck architecture that integrate more naturally with stable consensus layer. Okay. A stable EVM and compatible candidates be ported from other EVM ecosystem. Yes, stable is fully EVM compatible, allowing user to developers to seamlessly interact with the chain using executing Ethereum contract tools and wallet and USDT features. What is the difference between USDTO and GUSDT? So both USDTO and GUSDT are pegged one by one to the value of USDT, but they serve different purpose. USDTO is an ERC20 token, then follows layer 0 OFT opti-chain fungible tokens and standard and service and cross asset to the stable network and contract. GUSDT is used as the native gas token to stable and premiumly intended and paying transaction fees. So just ETH and used and gas and WATH for ERC20 integration. USDT acts as the native asset on stable, while USDTO ensures compatibilities with smart contract. So how can I get USDTO and GUSDTO on stable? USDTO and thanks to USDTO OFT standard, users can easily onboard the USDTO holding from other network to stable by layer 0 and GUSD. You can often and GUSD and converting in USDTO and GUSDTO on stable with an Airdrop and function and enabling to destination convert to feature and automatically receive GUSDT during the layer 0 and bringing process. What others unique USDT is specific features that stable have. So upcoming features include and guaranteed block space with allows so institutional and users to access predictable latency and cost for block space usage regardless of network congestion. USDT transfer aggregators with efficiently and bundle and multiple and USDT transfer and transaction to improve and output and reduce and overhead and confidential transfer feature designed to the protocol transaction and amount privacy with the remaining compliant with the regulatory requirement. So what is a stable base? So a stable base offering the stable user and friendly experiences with the power of decentralized and finance and designed into the for both beginner of experiences and crypto users. The newcomer can easily onboard and using features like the social login with executed user can and connect with the current wallet with without any migration available on web and mobile. Stable user is secure access to digital assets anytime and anywhere. And now quick start. So look at this, my friend. It's number one, a network endpoints and RPC, a stable exponent standard and JSON and RPC and methods and compatible and with the common EVM developer tuning, RPC and access to used for reading network and state and sending transactions and rate reviewing logs and events, estimating execution cost, and RPC details. So JSON RPC API number two tooling setup. Stable supports development with common EVM tooling. This allowing teams to use their existing and build pipelines. Supported tools include Solidity Compiler, so Hadid Foundry, Ethers to JS, Web3 JS libraries. So number two, testnet and public testnet and information, a stable ecosystem and directory, and how to obtain GUSDT. So how to obtain GUSDT. So learn to how to obtain a GUSDT and native and gas token and stable thought and break an USDT by layer 0 and GUSDT and native gas and token of the stable network and underwrite an ambition of GUSDTO. So using stable finance, you accelerate way to bridge an USDT to stable in thought, state and finance and layer 0 to official cross-chain and liquidity protocol. Step by step guide. Number one, visit straight bridge, and number two, contact your wallet, MetaMask and wallet contact and etc. And number three, and configure your bridge as a source chain. Select your source chain, source token, and destination chain, destination token. And number four, enter the amount you want to bridge. And number five, important gas to destination. You must enter value for gas on this destination. Okay. I'm really sorry, destination, and to the reverse GUSDT for the transaction and fees to stable without and this you and obvious guess and perform a transaction after breaking. And now next, number 6, and review the estimate and fees and invest in the amount. You take the transfer, approve the transaction in your wallet. Number 8, invite for cross-chain confirmation, usually 1 and 3 minutes. And number 9, USDTO will arrive your wallet on a stable, allowing with the requested GUSDT for gas. So number 10, visit stable hub, convert to unweb additional USDTO to GUSDT in hand. And look at this, my friends. Now I'm going to overview. So this is the overview, everyone. Let's look at this, my friend. This is totally our overview. So deep execution and layer behavior system guarantees. So learn more on how stable processing transaction fees and protocol level USDTO and behaviors. So core mechanics introduction. Stable is high performance blockchain that maintain fully components. Okay, the fully. Just wait and watch, everyone. Okay, so all of our inherent fees model and stable provides a predictable fee structure and stable and governance and gas and model. So base execution cost only without and rated tips, fees paid and GUSD stable and predictable and transaction cost and implementation for fee volatility and constant and pricing structure for improvement user experience and performance and scalability. So high throughput on capable of processing 1,000 of transaction per second. So low latency, fast transaction confirmation times, and efficient resources utilization, optimized and execution and environment. Okay, so core features for developers. So development tooling, compatibility, stable, maintain and full compatibility with exceeding Ethereum development ecosystem. So supported programming language, Solidity development frameworks, and Hadid and Foundry and Truffle and client libraries and other GS and Web3 and GS and other JSON and RPC and compatible and libraries. Okay. So JSON, RPC and API support for standard Ethereum JSON and RPC method and involves exceeding tools and infrastructure to work seamlessly full supported for an ETH methods, so compatibility with an exceeding intensive and monitoring tools, a standard transaction format support, a smart contract, so smart contract patterns and support for standard token specification and ERC20, ERC71, ERC1155, and proxy patterns and upgradable contract. Okay. And even login is state management and USDT integration. So one of its stable unique feature is the native integration and of USDT. So if USDT as gas token transaction fees can be paid directly in USDT and GUSDT, and cross-chain and compatibility and sellable USDT movement between chains. And now USDT specific features, so guaranteed in blockchain instant priority and processing in USDT transactions and transfer aggregators, efficient bridge and transfer processing and governance and transfer and evidence in privacy and protection. Okay. So my dear all friends, like or follow and share my live stream, and you see that in USDT specific features. So granted in blockchain is priority. Okay, I'm already read this. System modules is okay. System module is stable consonants and the following casing system and modules. So bank modular, account balance management, token transfer and custody, multi-asset and support. And now staking modular, so validator management and delegation and record distribution and slashing mechanism. And now next. So distribution and modular and block and reward and distribution, fee redistribution and incentives management. The security and finality instant finality transaction including in blocks are immediately finalities and implementation of recognition and reorg rigs. High level of transaction certainty and security model. So use of proven and cryptographic and primitive and multi-layer and security architecture and regular security audits. And next step. So to gain to developer understanding into stable core and some mechanics and refer to the following documentation. So Ethereum capabilities, details information on EVM capabilities, just pricing fee model explanation and JSON ERPC API reference documentation. So finality and transaction and confirmation and mechanism. So EIP 7702 account abstraction support. So now EIP 7702. So stable sovereign EIP 7702 introduction and find an account model in var EOAS and then externally on an account can temporarily and up to a smart account. So key behavior user sign transaction with their exciting keys and execution and can incorporate and contract like logic without pyramid account, upgrade enables resource and authorization and authorization follows for payment and custody improvements and UX for wallet and merchants using USDT. I hope you must be understand that this is our stable coin. And now it's next gas pricing. The stable using single component gas fee model, no priority, tip, max priority fee per gas in ignored fees are purely based execution cost fees are paid in GUSDT. So now rationales. A stable removes and fee volatility and for predictable and payment electronics and user confusion around tips and minor incentives. So developer impact. So developers must not relay priority fees for transaction. So acceleration and then wallet should hide or disable tip input field and then gas estimation tooling must reference stable RPC pricing logic. So JSON RPC API, ETH sing gas price, ETH max priority free per gas, ETH fee history, ETH block base fee, ETH chain B, ETH block number, ETH get balance, ETH get proof, ETH greatly by number. So all over in here, that look at this. Okay, now I'm next overview. So look at this, my friend. Stable or stable export score settlement variable thought system modular implemented as a pre-complete contact for gas efficiently and predictable control. So key modular, bank modular handles USDT transfer balance, quoting and escrow flows. So distribution module, fee distribution and reward logic for network participant. Staking modular. So contact validator participation and staking coming with minute depths can leverage built-in modular instant of re-implement token or settlement logic. And now next, bank. So the Xbank modular in stable SDK only provide basic tokens management features. Every token can be transferred to any account without any restrictions, and user cannot delegate other account for transferring their tokens to other account. For these reasons, the bank pre-complete contact offers additional authorization and delegation features on top of the existing Xbank module in stable SDK. So contact number 1, concept number 2, configuration number 3, methods, and number 4, event. And then now concept. So the proposed and contact and provides ERC20 standard method such as transfer and balance of. And now the transfer and transform and approve license degradation and registered. So all over in here, everyone, configuration and a contact address method all over in this here. And then I'm next in our distribution, everyone. Just look at this. So the distribution the contact and okay, all over in here, everyone. And now you see that. Okay, and also commenting here, everyone. Just look at this. And Lilidan 1224. Okay, Lilidan, thanks a lot. Lilidan surprise. Thanks a lot, Lilidan, for welcome to my live stream. Okay, so already I'm closing my live stream, everyone. Okay, already the finish in my project. And also see the also look at this is staking, and also the compatibility with the Ethereum ecosystem. Now look at this, my friend. So look at this, my friend. I'm talking about that is today stable coin. So everyone, I'm today talk about that is stable coin. So look at this, my friend, and also like and follow and share my live stream, everyone. I hope you must be like, follow and share my live stream, everyone. And now as compatibilities with the Ethereum ecosystem and finality rules and compatibility guarantee and node operation. Okay, all over in here, everyone. Resource and brand kit. Okay, so now I'm back in official website, and then I'm finishing the live stream, everyone. Just wait and watch. So this is the Get Launchpool project, 345 stable. So stake BTC, GD, or stable to claim your jobs. So Get Launchpool is set to launch project 345 stable users can stake BTC, GD, or stable to share 4 lakh stable tokens for free. And this round of Launchpool feature upgraded participation condition and staking caps. For the BTC pools, the maximum staking cap will be determined to each user's 60-day total trading volume. Achieving higher trading volume will unlock higher staking caps. So right now I'm closing my live stream. Bye bye everyone and goodbye.